Hey guys. So this week I have opened up 2.02, which is the product mix. And as we look at product mix, what is the product mix? So we have a lot of vocabulary words. An item, that's a product line. What are your different products? Trading up, trading down. So when you think of a product line, you may have a set of toys that are all dedicated to a Star Wars movie. That's a product line. Then you have different items within that product line. And we're talking about the different types of products and how businesses decide how many products they want to offer, the types of products they want to offer. Your chapter book talks about that. You only have 3 assignments this week. 1, 2, and the quiz. 2 assignments and a quiz. So it's not that much. The thing I want you to remember, and what's really important to me this week, is the end of the 6 weeks is next Thursday, the 19th. So everything through 2.02 will be on your report card. If you are behind, I need you to get in touch with me and talk to me about how we're going to make this work for your report card. Okay? So, get in touch with me if you're behind. This week, since you only have 2 assignments and 1 quiz, is a great week to get caught up through everything else. And then you'll be on track to start the second 6 weeks. So, first of all, you're doing 2.02 this week. It's due next Monday. Second of all, if you're behind, you're getting in touch with me to talk with me about how we're going to handle getting you caught up and your report card grade. If you have any questions or if you're behind, I need you to contact me immediately. That's imperative. And keep on working hard. Those of you that are doing a great job, I sure do appreciate it. Makes my life much happier to see you doing well in an online class, because I know they're hard. All right, so I'll hear from you guys soon. Talk to